So I'm about an hour out into the bush now on a super bumpy road. Today on Jeremy Does Things, we're back in the outdoors. I'm bringing you guys with me and I'm gonna show you my favorite way to prepare salmon over an open fire. Let's go. Start off by clearing all the snow up in here. Okay, then we're gonna get this fire going. I'm gonna be cooking one of my salmon slabs on a rock. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna test out what that's like. Okay, so what we have here is a couple cuts of salmon. So right here, this is a white spring. This is more fatty and really good. It cooks up like a big steak. And right here, we actually have pink salmon. It's kind of bottom of the barrel salmon, but it's still a nice slab. And I'm really excited about showing you what I do to this salmon to take it from a pink salmon to a 5-star restaurant meal. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna be putting into my mix. Some fresh parsley flakes, some Blue Mountain honey, local. Any honey will do, liquid is better. I got some harder stuff here today, but we're gonna make it work. And we want some red pepper flakes. We also have a little Montreal steak spice, believe it or not, because I don't want to have salt and pepper here. I use just a little bit of that. Over here, we got the fires rocking away. I'm gonna let it burn down and get into some coals. And while we're letting that burn down and get into coals, we're gonna go look for a couple really nice flat rocks. There's gotta be something down here by the lake. Got an old fire pit here and I'm seeing right off the bat, this is a nice one. I sure wouldn't mind laying that salmon smack down, but that's pretty big. So that'll be our last resort. See if we can find a smaller one. Oh yeah, there's a nice one right there. I'm gonna take this one and clean it down. That'll be it right there. Look at that flat surface. Well, I decided to go with the original one just because it's nice and long. So we're gonna put it in the lake here, wash it off, make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. That's a nice location. I set that rock right in there. I'm gonna have the fire in front of it. Salmon just steaming away right there. I'm gonna put the grill over here with the cast iron pan, and that's gonna cook those other 2 slabs. Now the key for this recipe is how you slice it. Okay, you're gonna wanna slicing it like this is what allows the meat to hold the sauce on it. Parsley. So I was supposed to bring liquid honey, but I brought some hard stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can melt it out a little bit. And then it'll muddle better. Okay. You know, it's just not wanting to muddle right. I'm gonna actually heat this cup over the fire. There we go, she's hot. The one ingredient that I forgot to mention is a half of an orange for the juice. So we're gonna go ahead and throw half an orange in there as well for some liquid. There we go, that's what she needed. That honey mixed with the pepper of the spiciness, the parsley, and then that orange juice really just sets this off. There we go. Well, there you have it. First slab of salmon goes on. I built a little wind block with rocks around the back side of that there, just to hold the heat in, and hopefully it'll cook it a little more evenly. But that's really nice sitting there. Fire's up pretty high. I'm trying to build it up pretty high right now. I'm gonna throw the grill up on top the other side, get the other two pieces going in the cast iron. Okay, we got the brand new cast iron here getting kind of seasoned up, and we're already starting to sizzle. You can already see that honey bubbling, baby. Can't wait to try that. That one's doing good down there. I mean, the story is it's getting a little more cooked on one side, but that's okay. That's okay, I might spin it around. Improvise. We got this sizzling away up top, the white spring. And I'm pretty excited about this. Oh yeah, starting to smell like a fresh salmon cooked now. Starting to smell really good. Oh, don't wanna lose that. Throw that in the pan. Okay, I did my best to spin it. Now we're gonna cook the other side. This stuff's starting to get cooked around the edges. Nice little steaks here. Some grease going in here, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they're cooking away pretty good. I leaned a couple of these up over top of that slab just to hopefully get them, the tops cooking a little better. They're sizzling up nicely. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Look at those. Just so nice. Oh yeah, done perfectly. So it's gonna fall apart, but we'll get a couple nice slabs there. Oh, look at this stuff. Oh, it's just falling apart. Okay, I'm absolutely pumped right now. I pulled the fish off, both of them. They're steaming hot. They look amazing. Check this out. Oh my God, that's delicious looking. That's the orange chili honey. Oh. And there we go with the white spring salmon slabs. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and dig in and see how they are. Oh, look at that. Done perfectly. Look at those slabs. Boom. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna go in now and try this orange. Oh my God. So instantly it's sweet from the honey. A little bit spicy from the chili. A little bit of parsley in there, you can taste that. That's to die for. Oh, we got some bones. Make sure to get your bones out. All right. Now we're gonna try this white spring. Isn't that a beautiful little slab right there? It's great for lunches the next day. Oh my God. That's so good. Well, after trying both of them, I honestly gotta say the star of the show is actually the pink salmon over the spring. Because of the sweetness. I just love that honey and the little bit of spicy from that chili. Unbelievable, you gotta try this. And the orange. It all comes through. It's like caramelized from that honey. Unbelievable. Well, that about wraps it up for this episode of Jeremy Does Things. It's been a lot of fun, and that was some delicious cooking. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as me. And if you are enjoying my channel, maybe you want to consider checking out my other two channels, Jeremy Travels and Fishing Canada. With Jeremy Travels, we take you along with us for the ride on all of our adventures. For example, backpacking through Southeast Asia, super fun, lots of good stuff. Also, traveling the Portugal coastline by motorhome. Or if you're just into catching fish, check out Fishing Canada. We got lots of good catching going on there, seeing whales. We spend a lot of time out on our boat catching fish. And yeah, we're hanging out on Fishing Canada, so you're gonna wanna go over and check out my other channel there. Until next time, try not to die, peace and love, over and out, baby. So yeah, I just wanted to show this. After every cool thing we do, we always clean up the site. We haven't really showed the finishing cleanup touch on any of our videos, but we always extinguish all the fires, clean up every piece of garbage, and leave with no trace. Leaving this beautiful place the way I found it. It's just got a few extra memories under its belt from the old Jer Does Things. So we've extinguished the fire. The old bushcraft fire pit's just going out right now. Cleaned up everything. We even left a little dry firewood in case anyone comes along. Until next time. Next week on Jeremy Does Things, we build a bushcraft fire pit and we cook a steak and prawn feast. Smash that like button and please leave a comment. Let us know what you think. It's always greatly appreciated. I like to read every comment and see what everybody's thinking. Okay, later.